So in order to find the critical points, we're going to set the equation to 0, or the expression on the left to 0, and find out where the denominator is 0. So that's another way of saying where is x squared minus 5x plus 4 equal to 0. This is factorable. It's a quadratic. That's factorable. And that allows me easily to find the answers to where it's equal to 0. So I've got two critical points. The numerator here is never going to equal 0, so there's only these two. And if I start to place that on a number line, I have 4 is a critical point and 1 is a critical point. And I've made those hollow dots because that's where the denominator is 0. So I'm going to test a point to the left, which is x equals 0. And if I plug that into the original here, I have 3 over 0 squared minus 5 times 0 plus 4, which is 3/4. And is that less than 0? That's not. So it's false, which means this area isn't part of the solution. Moving on to the next section, I'm going to test x equals 2. So 3 over 2 squared minus 5 times 2 plus 4, which is equal to 4 minus 10 plus 4, and that's negative 3 over 2. So that's definitely less than 0. It's a negative number, so this area works. It's true. And then lastly, I'm going to test x equals 5. So 3 over 5 squared minus 5 times 5 plus 4, which equals 3/4, and that is untrue statement or false statement, which means this area doesn't work either. So the only solution is between 1 and 4, and it doesn't include 1 and 4, so in interval notation it's 1 and 4.